Hello, everybody, and welcome to Mumbai Bike Diaries for a very special video on the channel today. I'm going to cover my old bike or my other bike, the Suzuki Intruder 150, and this bike is very close to my heart. So here is the 2019 Suzuki Intruder 150. This is the 2019 motorcycle. I owned this motorcycle earlier. When I was outside of India, मेरे पास बड़ी बाइक थी, बट मैं जैसे मैं इंडिया में आया मुझे एक छोटी बाइक लेनी थी for daily commuting and for traveling, office, yada yada, all that simple, commuter. And I got this 150cc bike, this Suzuki Intruder. Same engine as the Gixxer 150cc engine, produces 13. The new version produces 13.4 horsepower and 13.8 newton meters of torque. Foot pegs are front set, as you can see. It's like the Avenger. It launched as a competitor to the Avenger. अभी ये बाइक डिसकंटिन्यू हो चुकी है 2022 में, आई बिलीव. एंड अभी ये बाइक आपको सेकेंड हैंड में मिलेगी बहुत डर्ट चीप प्राइस में. और मैं आपको आज बताने वाला हूँ कि अगर आप ये बाइक देख रहे हो, is it worth it or not? I will explain to you in this review. This is my review of the Suzuki Gixxer.
अरे साला ये तो अलग फ्रॉड चल रहा है.
This is my review of the Suzuki Intruder 150. So let's go with the looks first. This bike looks very unique and very different. So it does not look like a 150cc bike. It looks much bigger. You have a very bulky tank and these shrouds that come all the way here. Very bulky look to the bike. Definitely not a 150cc. It looks like a 300, even a bigger bike. Some people even think it's a bigger bike. I have ridden this bike for about 15,000 kilometers. So I have a lot of experience with this bike. I have traveled with this bike a lot. I have toured with this bike a lot. And I have a lot of experience. I know this bike inside out perfectly. You get halogen lights. These are the halogen lights. The tail light looks very nice. Very unique looking. Kind of reminds me of the Hayabusa's tail light a little bit. This is based on the bigger Intruder. It's a smaller version of the bigger Intruder. The bigger Intruder is 1800cc massive cruiser. So this bike is a cruiser through and through. So let me switch on the meter and you get a LCD screen that is the same as you get on the Gixxer. You have your RPMs out here, 0, 1, and red lines at about 9,500 RPM. Although this is not a bike that you generally redline. So looks wise, a very good looking bike in my opinion. A lot of people might find it not so good looking, but I really love the looks of this bike. I think it looks very amazing, big cruiser, very futuristic. The exhaust has gotten damaged. A lot of parts of the bike have gotten damaged. The exhaust has a cover on it, very bulky. But this bike now belongs to my dad. मेरे डैड ये बाइक चलाते हैं, तो उन्होंने वापस कवर नहीं लगवाया. उनको ऐसे अच्छा पसंद आता है बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि कवर बहुत बल्कि है. तो दिस बाइक बिलोंग्स टू माय डैड. मेरे डैड ये बाइक यूज़ करते हैं हर रोज़ ऑफिस जाने के लिए एंड ऑल दैट. सो यू गेट मोनोशॉक इन द रेयर and non-adjustable, of course. It's hidden around here in the bottom, and you get telescopic forks, no USDs, of course. This visor was not on the bike. I have put this visor on. ये बाइक वाइजर के बिना आती है, तो विंड ब्लास्ट बहुत था, तो ये वाइजर मेरे डैड ने लगवाया है ये बाइक पे. For all these things, you get disc brakes at the front and the rear, of course. ABS comes in this edition, but ABS only is on the front wheel, तो आपको ABS सिर्फ front पे मिलता है. And these are made of plastic, hard plastic, very good quality hard plastic. Never had any issue with the bike. And let's get on with the ride and I'll give you more details. Exhaust note, although the exhaust is not in good shape, so this is not the original note. It probably sounds a bit different without the cover. Loving it. Alright, let's get on with it. Alright, first things first, this bike is extremely light. Only slightly heavier than the Gixxer. The bike feels extremely light. Although ये बाइक बड़ी दिखती है, ये काफ़ी लाइट है ये गाड़ी. एंड बहुत ईजी है मैन्यूवर करने में, बहुत सिंपल है. एंड द मिनट यू पुल ऑन दिस बाइक यू गेट दैट इनसेन Gixxer power. Lovely. Just pulls. No stress. Brakes very responsive. Brakes are top notch. Take the bike out to the highway for a bit. Give you my true opinion. So I've ridden this bike for so many years. I think it's important to give my opinion. See, suspension is not the greatest. It's not the greatest suspension on a commuting, traveling bike. First things first, this bike is very good for the city, very good for highways also. But if you're going to do long distance touring, it will feel very underpowered in that aspect. I have done long distance touring, but I don't recommend it because this is not that kind of bike जो आप लद्दाख लेके जाओ या बैंगलोर लेके जाओ या गोवा लेके जाओ. So in that aspect, yeah, the weakness is that अगर ये 250cc होती तो टूरिंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. ये जिक्सर 250 का इंजन डाल देते तो you can tour on the Gixxer 250. You can especially in the sports version you can definitely tour. So yeah, city, highway, pretty much it. And sitting position is so comfortable. The seat is one of the best points of the bike. One of the most comfortable seats I've seen on a bike. You feel like you are sitting on a sofa and you can lean back a little bit and just relax. And what a commanding position. I love this. And easy to filter through traffic. Suspension is not the best, but it's not bad at all. It does the job all right. थोड़ा रेयर सस्पेंशन, थोड़ा अनकम्फर्टेबल है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही स्टिफ है, सो यू विल फील द पम्प्स अ लिटिल बिट. बट असाइड फ्रॉम दैट, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ बाइक इन द 150cc सेगमेंट इन द सेकेंड हैंड मार्केट, एंड आपको ये बाइक आजकल जा रही है 30-40,000 में मिल रही है गाड़ी सेकेंड हैंड, 6,000 चली हुई, 2,000 चली हुई. So this is a very good option for you because this looks way better. People look at this bike, रास्ते पे लोग देखते गाड़ी, अरे कौन सी गाड़ी जा रही है, अलग गाड़ी लग रही है, महंगी गाड़ी लग रही है, ऊपर से सुजुकी का बैच दिख जाता है इधर साइड पे. So if you are looking for something in the second hand market that's nice and comfortable and can do your city, office जाना है आपको and थोड़ा बहुत weekends पे राइड करना है, लोनावला, anywhere local, 100-200 किलोमीटर. दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी गुड बाइक एंड अ वेरी अंडररेटेड बाइक सिंस ये बाइक डिसकंटिन्यू हो गई थी. बाइक का टॉप स्पीड है 115 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. सो अगर आपको 120-130 की स्पीड पे आना तो ये बाइक नहीं जा पाएगी 120-130 के स्पीड पे, बिकॉज सिंगल सिलेंडर इंजन है, हाई रेविंग इंजन है, तो इट्स नॉट द काइंड ऑफ बाइक दैट हैज़ दैट मच पावर फॉर इतने पावर के लिए. एंड प्लस ऊपर से क्रूज़र है, लो सिटिंग है. सो इन दैट एस्पेक्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये एकदम फास्ट, अमेजिंग, क्रेजीली फास्ट बाइक नहीं है, बट सिटी में काफ़ी तेज़ है. आप काफ़ी बाइक्स को ओवरटेक कर सकते हो, काफ़ी गाड़ियों को ओवरटेक कर सकते हो, बट आपको फिर बड़ी बाइक्स के सामने ऑफकोर्स आपको लगेगा कि हाँ अंडर पावर्ड है. बट ये बाइक में पर्सनैलिटी बहुत है एंड आपको ये बाइक एंटरटेन ज़रूर करेगी. So as you can see, it started to rain. So yeah, to conclude my review, if you are looking for a second-hand bike in the market and you want an amazing-looking bike and an amazing bike that really is cruiser, full cruiser vibes, Suzuki badging, perfect Suzuki engine, reliability, comfort, go for this bike. Test drive this bike and go for it. It's selling between 30 and 50,000 right now in the second-hand market. Amazing price for such a good 150cc bike. This is me from Mumbai Bike Guys logging out, and have a lovely day. Do like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this nostalgic review.